Alright, welcome back. Today we're going to take these pallets and turn them into this awesome headboard. First thing we're going to do is break down the pallets. Make sure there's no nails in it. Put it through the planer. Comes out looking like that, all smooth and nice. And one of those boards had a pretty cool waviness to it, so I kept it. Then I got a piece of plywood the same size of the headboard I want to make, and then I cut all the things at 45-degree angles, and I kind of made this design and I wasn't very pleased with it, so I decided I would kind of go back to the drawing board and kind of figure out what I wanted to do. That's a good thing about working with pallet woods. You can do whatever. So this is the design I kind of came up with. It's more of a middle type of chevron, and then go out from there. And so that's what I did. I tacked on the put some glue on there and used brad nails to secure it to the wood. My trusty brad nailer. And what I tried to do is keep the same wood in line, so it wouldn't have big gaps in between it. And after that, I trimmed it down to the size. And then here I used the belt sander and took off all the rough edges. Then I took a 1x4 and cut it into strips, about 1.5 inch strips, so I could do a border around the outside of the headboard. And here's me I just did simple butt joints. I wasn't trying to do anything crazy with any 45s or anything like that. So tacked it all together, put some glue on it, and brad nails, and then I got the trusty ebony wood stain and stained it up. We were going for a darker wood looking on this one, so that's what we did here. Then I tried this new Rust-Oleum triple thick polyurethane. It is weird stuff, I ain't gonna lie. This stuff is super thick, but it goes on and it really works good. I was really impressed. I didn't know how it was going to turn out, but really loved the way it worked. Then I grabbed some 2x8s that I had laying around and cut them down to the height I wanted my headboard at, and secured them with screws in the back. And then there we go, we got that. But needed to stain the legs to kind of give it a consistent look, even though that you're not going to see a whole lot of it. And there she is, the headboard. It really turned out nice. Really what I was going for. Really pleased with everything about it. So thanks for watching.